Hi, buddy. What have you been doing today? Max, what have you been doing today? Yeah, we've had a busy day so far, huh? Mm-hmm. So you had to go take your cat to the vet. And what'd they say? They said she's too fat. Way too fat. And then what else? Say Mommy's been cleaning, so it's been boring. And sorting all of your clothes. Hi. Hi. Do you have the hiccups now, buddy? Yeah, you do. You sit up a little bit. Hi. What is so funny? What? Those hiccups are brutal. They're brutal. You still seem pretty happy about it. So we've got a boring day of football. Well, it's an exciting day of football, but not for us. No Penn State, no Clemson. Uh-huh. Will you consider rolling over later for me? Maybe? Or is that a Gigi and Aunt Sally exclusive? Max. Hi. Hi, buddy. What are you doing? What's going on? Alright, you look like you're getting a little frustrated. Where are you going? Where do you think you're going? Uh-huh. Let's see if this video part works if we show them how you fly, okay? Ready? Alright, hold on.